project, product, production.
Okay.
So students start with a project, then actually think of a product, and ultimately they have to have a production experience. We have almost 21 production units on campus, spanning engineering, agriculture, and all that. And we are very proud to say that these production labs, we call them, have industry level equipment.
Okay.
Even our agriculture production happens over a period of over an area of about 200 acres. And here students do everything to a pilot scale. It's not fully commercial, it's not lab scale, but is in between. So students learn how running a production unit is different from doing something in the lab. And you'll be surprised, or rather happy to know that almost 60 crores worth of production we have done last year.
Oh, amazing.
And you have to also understand that this was only possible of this industry partners that we have, over 50 of them. You see, apart from us as entrepreneurs of this project, the biggest investor in Centurion, we have to understand, is the industry.
Right.
We have got more than 250 crore worth of equipment, okay, from the industry. Not even IIT or even no national institute can boast of such kind of support from industry. These 50 industry partners are not on paper. Every lab you see here, every computer you bought here, every equipment that you see in Centurion has been donated by a partner. Right? Okay. Right. So it's a true industry academia partnership. So we are, almost every week we are signing more and more industry partnerships where we do value creation and where students and faculty are partners to value creation. And this is also promoted through our startup policy. Right? We have almost about 30 startups by faculty. 6 of them are doing very, very well. Right? We have about 150 crore turnover from those startups, and no other perhaps university also can boast of such a very nice startup system in the campus. So that's why production, startups, everything is very, very critical in our particular pedagogy, and that's what the Vice Chancellor also spoken about. And that we are actually, I can say proudly that in India we are unique. There is perhaps no other university which does this.